Hi friends, I'm back with very one more very interesting video. So today I'll share like how I made like 90% probability, how my trading style, the price action style and everything as the 90% plus probability, and I'll show you with all the live trades. All right. So now what I'll do, okay, I'll just take you to my telegram channel. Okay, so this is my telegram channel. This is 240 is the current batch, guys. Okay, so wherein I'll be like sharing all the trade logics, all the swing trades or the emerging trade logic. So let me click on this thing. Okay, so this maybe I might have done this. When is the time? Does it show the time here? 1 second, guys. Okay, so if you look at the time, right, if you look at the time, this is, when is this actually? So ideally that should show the time, but yeah, nevertheless, right? So now see, this is what I've shared with my students. Okay, so this is the Petronet. So when the Petronet was taking the support of this 200 moving average and the dynamic trend line, so let's see, right, what all trades I have shared with my students. So let's see how it performed. All right, so now what I'll do, 1 second. Now what I'll do, I'll just take you to price action. Okay, now I'll just search for Petronet. Guys, you have to what do we say, uh, have the patience. Okay, so now if you look at this thing, so maybe we might have taken the trade somewhere here, guys, somewhere here, and now, so now this has almost given a 3% upside move just because it is taking the support of this trend line and also the 200 moving average. At times this will give the false break down, but again finally it gave a good momentum. So within like 3 to 4 days or 5 to 6 days, you got almost like the price was standing here maybe like 4 to 5%. All right, let me take it. So I'm just clicking on the next button, guys. That's it. Right now this is the HDFC. Let's see like what HDFC add quickly. Let me show you what HDFC add. Okay, so maybe when the price was standing somewhere here, so maybe we might have entered here. So technically this is like sideways, neither it has gone down, neither it has went up. So technically we might have entered here. Check this, right? If even if I zoom it, right, when we take it, this is sideways. Okay, let me take you to the next trade. So this was what power grid. Okay, let's see what power grid has performed. Power, okay, there is some issue with my E on the keyboard. Okay, E is not getting pressed. Okay, power grid. All right, are we pivot power? What is that basically? Power grid, right? Not sure. Okay, maybe this one, if I'm not wrong. This is okay, my bad. Power, what is this basically? Even I'm not able to get. POWER. Okay, this one, right? Maybe. Okay, check this one. When the stock was standing at here position, when the stock was standing at this position, see, 1 2 3, again it came down 4, so boom, the market went up, right? This is how you have to do the price action with the trend line. See guys, this is all about, just I'll show you, right, just in case if you get convinced, right, do let me know how to do the price action and let you know. This is all, I don't use any indicator, guys, only the 200 moving average, just to see the confirmation, right, just to get the double confirmation, and then everything depends on my cross trend line. When the market was standing here, I thought maybe, see, whenever it took the support, it went up, it took the support of the trend line, it went up, took the support of the trend line, it went up, took the support of the trend line, maybe it was standing here, I thought maybe it will go up, and boom, it went up. Okay, let me take you to the other trade. What is this? Tata Consumer. Let's see what Tata Consumer has done. Okay, NSE Tata Consumer. See guys, I mean, what you need, see, this is how I have shared the trade. Okay, this is how I've shared the trade. Okay, so now when the stock was standing here, when the stock was standing here, see, it almost gave, right, almost like close to 10% in like 3 to 4 working days, guys. That's it. So check the magic, guys, check the magic. Okay, so it gave like 10%, the same trade what I've shared here. When the market was standing here, I said whenever, I said it might give a breakout, it might retest, and then boom, it might go up, and that's what it has done. The same action, price action, right? Let me take you to the other trade. Okay, so these are not the other trades. Let me see, this is USD INR. Okay, even let me show you the USD INR also, guys, right? Let me show you the USD INR also, then you will get to know. Okay, see, What else you need, guys? What else you need? See, when I said USD INR, so when this was taking the support, it came down, it was taking the support. I made consecutively 5 trades I've made with the green. So I thought maybe this would act as a resistance. It came down, again it went up, again it came down, it went up, and then boom, everything it fall. So this is the beauty of the trend line support, guys. Okay, let me take you to the next trade. What is this? BPCL. Let's see what BPCL did. BPCL. Okay, not sure, like, okay, BPCL. See, when the price was standing here, right, I said, right, it might go up, and that's it almost gave 6 or 7% profit in like couple of days, in like 3 to 4 days. Check the, I mean, pause the video and you check it. Okay, let me take to another trade. Do we have anything here? Right, guys, let me show you. Right, Dabur. Let's see what Dabur has. Okay, Dabur. See, I gave a signal at here. Okay, maybe somewhere here. Dabur, at least it did not went down, guys. See, check the beauty of the price action. Right, the 200 moving average. The only indicator what I use is like 200 moving average. But technically, you might have entered here and it went up. Right, 3 to 4 days, you got some good decent profit. All right, let me take you to the next. And what is this? Power grid. Already we have seen that this gave a huge profit. Okay, and what is this? Tata Consumer also we have seen. So now what I'll do, guys, what I'll do is like, okay, let me quit this thing, and now what I'll do, I'll take you to my swing trading group. There is one dedicated channel for swing trading, guys. There is one dedicated channel for swing trading. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is where I keep sharing the trades. Okay, so this black color, right, let me show you what happened with this thing, right? TVS motor. Okay, so maybe I might have shared this trade, but exactly why I'm not getting the date is the biggest question. Yeah, see, April 28th, I might have shared the Tata Motors, right? This is the price action. What did I say? Whenever it took support, it went up. It took support, it went up. So when the stock went up and it came down, I thought maybe this will act as a resistance, because this was acting as a support. So this will act as a support. Sorry, this was acting as a resistance one, resistance two. Right, the moment the resistance broke up, right, it took the resistance, it came out, came down. So maybe I thought 3 times this acted as a resistance, so this will act as a support. Let's see what TVS motor has done for us. All right, TVS motor. All right, guys, see. Okay, is this a time? Right, once, yeah, this is where the stock was standing. Let me zoom this so that you'll get the trust. Okay, this is where the same trend line, the market was standing here on this day. We might, if we might have entered, see, I entered into majority of the stock. Okay, let me show you whether this is real or not. See, almost 27% in what, in almost like 40-50 days. Okay, see, now what I'll try to do, guys, now what I'll try to do is like, I'll just take you to the M stock. Okay, live I will show you all the profit. I'll go to reports, I'll go to profit and loss. Right, I'll start, see, basically I've started this M stock from February 28. That's it, guys, simple. I'll show you the Feb 28, March, Feb 28 till date. Let me show you the profit. Okay, I made almost like 2,30,000 profit, guys. 2,30,000 profit, and these are all e-margin trades. Okay, let me show you. See, 2,30,000. I actually put 3 lakhs capital into my M stock. Okay, let me show you the real position. So this is the real position. These are all e-margin trades. So you think, right, it can be e-margin, it can be swing trade also. What I'm trying to show you is like, yes, literally I made money. See, end of the day, if I'm showing all this analysis, right, all this chart analysis, definitely I might have entered, right? I'll not give any tips to my students, guys. The only thing what I keep sharing is like the chart analysis. Now they have to do their own analysis. If someone would have entered here, they would have captured this much of big movement. Okay, let me show you the other trades also, right? The other trades over, these are all the other trades shared by my students. Okay, let me show you Canara Bank. What did Canara, right, bank? Okay, so maybe we might have entered somewhere here, maybe we might have entered somewhere here, right? Yeah, somewhere here, and then it went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. So finally today it gave 3.3% gap down, but still we can hold, because this white color trend line will act as a strong support. But technically we made some decent profit, but yeah, that's where you have to keep booking your profit. But let's take this as a minus trade. right? This as a unsuccessful trade. Okay, one out of so many trades what we have seen. The second one, let me show you what is this LT. Okay, what did LT add for us? Okay, simple. Check the magic, guys. Right, when we took the LT was standing. Maybe we might have entered here, guys. Maybe we might have entered here, and check the profit, you guys. I mean, you got almost 10% in almost like 10 to 15 days. All right, 10% in 10 to 15 days. This is the beauty of the price action. Am I using any indicators? Absolutely zero. The only 200 moving average, I use it for the confirmation. That's it. Other than that, I just depend on the patterns, this dynamic trend line patterns. Okay, let me show you one more stock. What is this? Reliance. Okay, let me show you what Reliance had. Right, your favorite Reliance. Okay, Reliance Industry. See, technically we might have entered here. Technically we might have entered, where was that? Yeah, 3. Maybe we might have entered somewhere here, and then see, it went up, it came down, went up, came down, went up. So finally it gave some good momentum. Okay, and then let me, so I'm just clicking on next, guys. That's it, right? What is this? About India. ABBOT, about India, if I'm not wrong, this thing. Okay, so maybe we might have entered here, guys. We entered here, and technically see, it went up. It is in the consolidation phase, and it might go and make the higher high, but still, even this is a profitable trade. Let me take you to the one more trade. What is this? REC Limited. REC Limited. Okay, see, guys, you have to trust the price action. REC Limited. Okay, see, check this, guys. When the stock was standing here, this one, check the pattern and everything, right? The trend line support, whenever it took support, it went up, took support, it went up, took support, it went up. This was a resistance. The moment it broke the resistance, it went up, it is retesting, and tomorrow it might go up. But guys, this is just for the learning. But where were we? Right, my stock was standing on the top of the yellow color, and somewhere here, and we made such a huge profit. All right, 21% in 18 days. Okay, I'll just keep on rolling. What is this? Dabur. Let's see what Dabur has had. Dabur India. Right, check this. We might have entered at this point. Guys, see, it went up, it is in sideways, but technically, right, from this position to this position, right, it's a profit. Right, you almost made 4% profit. Profit is a profit, right? Let me take you to the other trade. What is this, guys? Berger Paint. Berger Paints. Let me show you. See, we might have entered here, or the third candle. I'm not sure which candle was that. Right, it came down, so maybe we might have entered it here. But still, guys, check the beauty. It made almost like 6% in 14 days. Right, how many stocks should I show you? Right, I mean, maybe I might have told this will go up or this might come down. Even if it comes down, you have to book your stop, you have to put somewhere your stop loss. It will come and it will go up. All right, so this is the data driven, guys. I mean, this is what I do. So I would recommend you to go to my playlist and watch the video wherein I've made, there is a playlist on the concept tool. This is the ultimate differentiator it has made in my trading. Okay, let me take you to what is this, guys? Berger Paint, we have already seen, and Petronet. Right, did we see that? Okay, Petronet. See, there is some issue with my E. Right, Petro, if I'm not wrong, this thing. See, this is where the price was standing, and maybe somewhere here it had a big gap, not gap up, it made a big move, right? And TCS, let's see what TCS has. Okay, TCS, yeah, this is one, right? When the price was standing here, I said it might go up, but what happened? Maybe this thing, right? Maybe this one, I believe, right? And then the stock came down. But now technically, even if you would have entered here, now you should not come out of the trade, because this will act as a support line. See, whenever, what did I said it might go up, but it is coming down. You should not get into panic. You should hold this, because this will act as a support. Who knows, right? Now the stock might take the bounce, and slowly it might bounce back, and then it might catch the momentum. Okay, let me show you any other trade. I think that's it, guys. See, what did I say? I've shown every trade. I did not even edit it, and you can see the time also. I'm just doing it with a single cut video. And what else you need, guys, right? This many, so out of almost like 20 to 25 stocks what we saw, there was only 2 stocks which went against our view, which was like Canara Bank. Still, Canara Bank gave a good momentum, but today it had a 3% gap down. But still, it's a good trade. It is taking the support, and the TCS is the one thing which went down, but it did not went down huge, right? It just had a breakdown, and still it is taking this support. So guys, just in case, if you guys want to explore my price action, right, if you want to make the profit, what I've made, what is this? Canara Bank, right? Yeah, this is, if you want to make, let me show you. Do we have another trades? LT we have seen, Reliance we have seen, right? About India we have seen, Rec Limited we have seen, all the trades. So just in case, if you want to make this kind of profits, I am showing you everything live. Okay, these are my existing trades. So today I made almost like 1865, and this is on a capital of 25,000, guys, because this is e margin. I deploy just 25%, the remaining 75% I get it from M stock at a zero rate. I mean, they charge the interest only on T plus from or post T plus 2. So if it, these are all by intraday trades. I mean, I have a dedicated swing profile also, but this is what, guys, I mean, again, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. I'll take you to the profit and loss. I'll just show you like how many, what I made in last 7 days. 10,000 I made in 7 days on a capital of what do we say, 3 lakhs. In last 30 days, how much I made? I made almost like 86,000 in last 30 days. And if at all you want to see from the start of the M stock account. So basically, I've started this account on Feb 28th, and till today I made almost like 2 lakhs 30,000, and so today's like 3,000 will get added. So 2 lakhs 30,000 and a capital of 3 lakhs, guys. Do one thing, right? You might have got trained from so many trainers, but I'm showing you everything live. My profit and loss, my price action, what you can make it from the e margin. Just go to the below description. In the description you'll find the entire content what you will be getting as part of my paid mentorship program. So just in case, if you feel like this makes sense, right, this makes because I'm showing you everything with my live trades, with my live account. Okay, so if you feel like this is worth, please enroll for my paid mentorship program. All right, guys, thank you.